Garbage comes here, starts the sorting journey.
The Edmonton Waste Management Center provides tours, often attended by travelers from around the world. Visitors learn that this operation is a leader in recycling trash.
Well, the Edmonton Waste Management Center is a very comprehensive facility serving the needs of Edmontonians. It's working with garbage, recycling, electronics, and a host of many other services. That material comes out to the Waste Management Center, we sort through it, and we recover as much material as we can. And it first starts off by sorting by hand, and then machines take over, and that sorts material that is food and yard waste from the non-food yard waste.
Over 50% of received garbage is compostable. However, Neil Burkhardt says the Waste Management Center prefers to avoid processing grass clippings. But here's where the sorting process starts.
On a typical day, we can receive anywhere from 100 to 150 tons of paper per day. Metals and plastic are a much smaller number than that. They can just be in just a few tons a day. It's not as big as people think it is. When the material comes into the materials recovery facility, paper and cardboard material is sold locally so that it can be turned into things like roofing products and into insulation. It can be sold to other companies that can turn that back into other paper products. Plastics are then turned into products that are called resins and flakes and pellets, and they can be used by other companies for other plastic products.
Then there are electronics.
Electronic waste, we would ask Edmontonians to take that to the eco-station. The eco-station will do a little bit of organizing of that waste. It's then shipped to us. We send that to the GEEP plant that's on our site. They will disassemble that material and sell those materials to market.
The Waste Management Center's latest addition, the world's first municipal waste biofuels facility.
Biofuel is actually recycling carbon at a molecular level. So we have all of this carbon-rich waste that we typically send to landfill. The biofuels is an opportunity to recover that carbon and chemically turn that into a biofuel. Carbon-rich waste are things like food packaging, which typically are not recyclable, things like plastic bags and these kinds of things that have food waste related to them. That kind of packaging, styrofoam, wood material. And as our city gets larger and larger and larger, so too will the volumes of garbage and waste that we will receive. And the Waste Management Center is well placed to handle that increased capacity over the years. We live in a community that generates the waste, we receive that waste, and we work really hard to recover as much material as we can.
For Go Edmonton, this is Tim Dancy.